switching gears like I really don't care. The police don't feel us. She popped the pill like she really don't care. So maybe sometimes it don't feel right. When I go to the city, I'm pushed by still. They stay in the kill right. But the kills they kill by the niggas from switching gears like I really don't want it in the city. I'm going 140, 160. I'm trying to do the whole damn dash.
What's up, YouTube? What's up, everybody? Hope y'all having a good day. Welcome to the channel. 100% throttle. You know how we coming. But yeah, man. Bruh, it's just been so much going on, and like, bro, I forgot to do the show y'all the unboxing of the cam kit. So that's what I'm finna do right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, my bad, y'all. I know I be talking about it in the videos, and y'all probably still haven't seen it. So but yeah, and then also the kit that I got, I did a lot of research online. There's not too many there's also not too many videos about this cam kit, so which is pretty cool. So it's kind of like testing it out, you know what I'm saying, like the new run. But and then also yeah, man, I'm using this new camera today also, so we're gonna see how this video turn out, you know what I'm saying. I need a cut and stuff, and I just woke up, bro, so don't even trip. But yeah, it's just the Osmo Action. But this thing pretty cool. It's all small. It's like a GoPro. My dad gave it to me. Shout out to my dad, you know what I'm saying, supporting the nigga. But hell yeah, we finna get in with this video, man, and really show y'all what I'm working with. All right. So don't mind that. That's the thing. So this how it came. So the box, I had it for like a week now. I ain't even gonna cap. But it came packaged pretty good. Like, I done took stuff out of it and shit. But it came packaged pretty good. I had no problems with the packaging. This was on top. Well, it had some stuff on top, a paper, a checklist. Oh yeah, here you go, right here. So it had like this, you know what I'm saying, please read me first. Basically saying thank you. And then it had the checklist. So also, I'm gonna just, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna just go down the checklist of what I got first of everything, so y'all can see. FRP cam kit checklist. So obviously we got the Mark 82 cam, we got the limiter Hellcat lifters, we got springs, push rods, head gaskets, water pump gaskets, head bolts, exhaust gasket, cam bolts, crank bolt, timing gaskets. We got valve cover gaskets, intake gaskets, MDS plugs. So that's what we're working with right now. And then this right here, these are the gaskets. These how the gaskets came. These how these boys came, boxed up and shit, which I like. And then this right here, this is gonna be my timing cover gasket. My damn cat was chewing on my shit, bro. So it did not come like that. Like I said, I had it for like a week. This is my water pump gasket. And this is from FelPro. Most of the all the gaskets I think are from FelPro. Hold on, let me see. Most of them is shit. And then this is the valve spring trim. Where the fuck? Push rods right here. I don't know if y'all want to see them, but fuck yeah, I'll let y'all see them. You know what I'm saying? Going to deets. But yeah, man, this is from FRP though. Hell yeah, let me make sure I get the name right too. Yeah. Flyin Ryan Performance. So that's them right there. I don't know if you see them good. Light. There you go. That's them bad boys right here. They got some weight to them too now. Oh, that's them. That's gonna get you there. And then both of these right here, these are the lifters. These are my lifters. These from Mopar, as you can see. Hellcat lifters. Come on, pre-lubed. Them bitches pre-lubed like a motherfucker. But yeah, they came like that. Nice and packaged up. And everything came perfectly packaged. Those are the MDS plugs. I could probably keep that in the box. I know one is the crank, camshaft bolt. Then I forgot what the other bolt go to. Damn, he told me. It's in there somewhere. Hold on. Crank bolt. There we go. Okay, I was right. I was trying to say crank. This is my phase limiter. Right here. I didn't open it yet. Because, I mean, I already know. I mean, it's simple. And then these two boxes right here. These are going to be my, like, the bolts. And shit like that. The bolt set. All you need. You get two boxes, which is, you know what I'm saying? All you need. Everything you need. And then these are my racing valve springs from PAC. PAC. Stick my finger in that thing like that. That thing up. Ooh. Ooh. That thing, boy. Them bitches finna, bro. And like, it's so crazy, man, cause like I be thinking like, bro, how much pressure you need to actually like really squeeze these bitches. God, nigga hand be swole, bitch. And then this right here, oh yeah, this what we need. This the camshaft from Texas Speed. Well, it's from FRP, but from Texas Speed. That makes sense. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's from this is Texas Speed camshaft, but FRP did the grind. So and then right here, this is the cam I got from them, the Mark 82. Yes, sir. And then this is the spec on my cam that I got. Spec I'm working at 220, 228. I was gonna go with 270. Most of the kits are sold out, and then a lot of the parts you had to put together, which I felt like it wasn't really worth it. This came with everything you needed, extra, and then, you know, it was just. And then I wanted to try something different. So this is the Mark 82 cam. You see FRP. They did the grind. Should say Mark 82 too. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me see. It say it right there. But yeah, man. Hefty little thing, boy. Do some hefty little thing. For real, if you want to be honest. But, yeah, man, that's what came with the kit, though. And that shit crazy, because that's, you know what I'm saying? That's a good deal, too. And the price I paid for it was a really good deal. I didn't even see this. Okay. Yeah, the price I paid for it, that shit was a really good deal. You know? Everything you need. See, I forgot how they had this in here too. Like they had this packed in here pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. There you go. They had this shit packed in here. There you go though. Ooh, that might be even better than before. Let's see. Oh, slide that paper right in there. Ooh. So yeah, man. that's it. This is the kit from FRP. Yeah, man, so that's it. This is the kit from FRP. And personally, I feel like it's the best. It's a good bang for your buck, you know. And it came really, man, it came like, bro, it came in like less than a week, bro, almost. It felt like it. Like, it came so fast, like, bro. It came fast, like, that's the crazy thing about it. And then, you know, most of them sites, when you get on there, it say like 2 weeks shipping, blah blah. Nah, this came pretty fast. So, you know what I'm saying, I'm rocking with it, you know. So I should have been making this video, but I've been doing other stuff with the car, things like that. So just been waiting. But you know, I'm making it today, shit. You know, today the perfect time. So that's what I'm about to do. Also, yeah, I got some these my headers right here. I coated them myself too, as well. I put that coat on there, and the coat should be pretty good on there. I did this like months ago. And then also, some of my headers, you know what I'm saying? Need the headers. Ooh, get a quick look at them again. Need the headers. I'm doing this on one hand. And then this is the exhaust. So, damn, my bad. I got, what is this? A little toy. But this right here is gonna be this right here. This gonna be my from bent pipe, down pipes on back. This down pipes on back, all in here. So down pipes, mid pipes, or whatever you want to call it, X pipe. You know, I don't have any cats. I'm not running no cats, no mufflers. So it's really straight pipe. I'm probably gonna have to put some resonators on there later down the road, but for now, it's just gonna be straight craziness. Straight craziness. I coated this myself too, but coat kind of got fucked up. But these are my exhaust tips. I painted these too. I might have to just spray them again. I honestly forgot about these bitches. But that's my cat. Or should I say our cat? Shit. I might have to spray these bitches again though. Where you going? Huh? These niggas be doing their own thing. Well, that's my white cat. This is my cat right here. That's my cat. Zeus! What up? Nigga scary as fuck. But but yeah, this is the exhaust right here. I'm probably gonna have to respray it. But the thing goes sexy as fuck. Oh God, boy, I'm finna be ready as shit. Please stop by. But yeah, man, I'm really just ready to put them on. Cause like, bro, it's been like it's really been a long time coming, man. Long time of grinding, saving, running shit bad. Really, like, we could be trying to get it, but yeah. So basically, I just wanted to give the overview of what all came in my kit I got from FRP. And like I said, I got the Mark 82 cam kit, and he also have. That's not the only cam, by the way. And it's also the Mark 82. The Mark 82, I believe, is stage 2, as well. But he has one called, what's it called? I would go get my, okay, I'm gonna go get my phone. Hold up. Okay, I'm on his site now. Yeah, so he has like dragon shit, Titan 235, 235, Trident VVT 237, 249, window maker. That window maker, it's a video of that window maker. That shit sounds fucking crazy. But 239, 251, MOAB 242, 253. And then the LGM 30. That shit sounds like a fucking grenade. 255, 272. Yeah, that shit's crazy. But yeah, that's what he got. And then he also has it to where you could buy the cam only too. So, or the kit. But I feel like the kit is where it's at. I ain't even gonna cap to you. The kit where it's at. So, Mark 82 cam, man. That's what we rocking with. And it's gonna get installed this month, motherfucker. This month. That bitch going in this month, on God. So when you see me hit the streets and go crazy, let me say nothing. But I do need to get a limited slip differential. I need to get a 390. I think I need to get 390. But so then after that. So I'm probably gonna, after this, after I get this cam in, I'm gonna start working on the springs and shit, and then my axles, my LSD. So that's what we doing, man. That's what we got going. So like, subscribe, comment, man. Like, y'all make me grind harder, made me want to do this shit even more, for real, like, and this shit feel good, bro, cause this is like something I like to do, you know what I'm saying? So we finna go crazy, bro. Like, y'all keep hitting that subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Once we get to 600, I will be doing the giveaway, so be ready for that. It's gonna be a good gift. So man, like, we just going up and up, bro. Like, I can't believe it, but we doing it, bro. I'm doing it, nigga. I'm doing it. So if whoever don't like it, get out the way. You feel me? Cause we coming through. Open up the door. So yeah, man, 100% throttle. You know. So that's how we coming. So please like, subscribe, comment, man. Please. It's for me, help you, help us. I don't know what I just said, but you get the picture. But that'll be all for today. I'm gonna edit this video, drop it today, and then, you know what I'm saying, talk to y'all soon.
I'm switching gears like I really don't care what the police don't feel us. She popped a pill like she really don't care so much. Sometimes it don't feel right. When I go to the city, I'm pushed by still. This thing they feel right. But the pills they give all that niggas switching gears like I really don't put it in the sleep. I'm going 140, 160. I'm trying to do the whole damn.